Hi, I'm Jeff with Sound and Light Technicians, and I just got the first Trackspot Bolt from High-End Systems. I'm going to go ahead and open this up now and take a good look at the first one out there and give you a little tour of this. So, gently slice through all valuable electronics on the top of the thing with a long Sharpie. And see how this is packaged up here. Alright, here's the Trackspot Bolt, and we have this here. So I am going to pull this out. There we go. And looks like that's it, except for hanging clamp. Alright. It's going to be a little bit bigger than the old Trackspot. Take this out of here. Alright, so here's a little size comparison. I have the old Trackspot here, and I have the new Trackspot Bolt here. You can see it's definitely taller, and it's longer. The actual housing appears to be about the same length. It's got some reinforcements on the bottom to protect the cables. Looks like you can stand it upright, where the old Trackspot you couldn't do that with. And because the cable ends on the old Trackspots had nothing to stand on. So this is kind of nice that you can set this upright. It's got two heavy handles that I see right here. And let's flip this over, set this down, and then I'm going to turn over this Trackspot here, the original Trackspot. They kind of kept it along the same design, has the same release, so you can open this up, see the old Trackspot here, and the new Trackspot here. So the old Trackspot has, you got your gobo, your color, and your shutter wheels with a bulb. It uses a 250 watt bulb in there that puts out between 8,500 and 9,000 lumens. And then you've got your mirror control here. And the new one, let's take this off the mirror. It appears to use the exact same motor. Yeah, that's the same motor this Trackspot has used for a long time, and actually it looks like almost the identical, yeah, it's identical type of a setup. Same motor. Actually, we got four wires. So this is almost identical to the original Trackspot as far as the motors. The motors have been proven for, 20 years now. Looking inside here, you can see we got the LED, which apparently runs very warm since they have a large copper heatsink with copper heatsink lines that go to a large fan, which cools not only the back here, but the copper heat sinks transfer the heat. Looks like you have a color wheel here, a gobo wheel here with spinning gobos. You can see the gear here, and you can see the gears, and I can see already that unlike Lation, they have used metal aluminum gears. Lation uses plastic gears, and I have seen those wear out. Let's see, everything's tucked in. They have another motor here which does something. This one appears to be, it's a focus. That probably is actually, I will do some more videos of this later, but this would be a focus on the beam. So the old Trackspot here, to focus it, you had to manually come in here, loosen this knob, and slide the lens in and out, and then when you found your focal point, you would actually lock the lens back down into place. So the new Trackspot, and all the motors are the same motors that they've been using on these, which is great. It's perfect. And it looks like they've got a fan down in the bottom. Must keep something air. Oh, you know what? I understand. This fan keeps the air moving across the lens. One of the problems that you have, that I've had with a lot of these, is the lens itself will actually gather dust on it. So with this system here, using this fan right here, it's actually going to keep the dust off of this. So that's good too. Anyway, so this is the first look at the new Trackspot. Looks like they've got the circuit board here. Circuit board's a lot smaller. And it's digital, of course. But everything looks straightforward. It looks like a nice serviceable unit. It's got the same motors. To service it, it appears that you would probably take out, well, this one looks like it'd be easy to do, so let's see how that comes out, but it may all slide out the bottom. So anyway, thanks for watching. I will do some more videos on the Trackspot Bolt. I'm going to demo it and do some side-by-side comparisons against the original Trackspot to the new Trackspot. And also I'm going to go ahead and fly them in a nightclub, and we're going to see how they stand up against the elations and other things. I may even take another Trackspot up there in the nightclub and hang it there just to actually do a side-by-side comparison and see how they work. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Jeff with Sound and Light Technicians.